Hello everyone, and I hope you're all healthy and good. And today I'm gonna be showing you some of my Christmas DIYs and paper crafts, especially the origamis that I made this. Don't skip any part because this whole video is gonna be chaotic and fun. Merry Christmas to all. It's gonna be like Christmas crafts edition as one. So before starting the video, I'm gonna be telling you that this is part 1 because my crafts as it is fit in 1000, so I couldn't fit that in a single video because it would be too long. That's why I'm gonna be posting some other parts. If you want, please do comment below if you want part 2 and part 3 for it. So the box I brought from my hometown, as this was my grandma's box she gave me, and I thought she was first throwing it, but I was like, please don't throw it, give me. Let's start. So this is a YouTube logo of the things that I will be showing you today of this 1000 crafts. I will be making a single video of 500 or 1000 plus paper DIYs on Christmas, and do watch it and you can make any of that. And if you have made any one of it, please do comment how it turned out. So I'm gonna keep keeping it here. This is the last sheet. Time for the big surprise. It's like a quarter pot, 1/4 pot only of what I've made. So this is the Santa Claus greeting card that I made previous year. It was around like Merry Christmas. It was really easy and I really liked them. This is it. So I can just share you what I have made also, like I could share you. So what I have done is I have taken a circle and I folded it in half. And I took a pink color. If you don't have a peach skin color, you can just use a light pink shade. And I have cut it in a sunglass shape. And I have stick 2 eyes and nose, and then I've drawn a smile. And then I take this shape and a triangle and I've folded it like this. And I've stick here a little piece of circle. So this was how I made it. Second is the star. I had made 4 of them, but 2 of them got destroyed. Even this one is also like, it got a little ruined, but don't worry, this was a star that I made. So as it's tricky it seems, it is not. It is really quite easy. You could make it in like 5 to 6 minutes. I'm gonna keep them aside. Next is some of what I like the most is these the bookmarks for Christmas, especially this design. You can see red. So these are the like bookmarks. If you could see, let me show you. So this was it. Next I made this customized red color butterfly for Christmas. I really liked it. It was like most fun part of it. So I made this butterfly. This is whole origami, no Fevicol and no scissors used. Next is this dress. This is the dress. And next is this. Oh, I don't know why I have kept it here. Next is a star. This is a 3D star. I think stars are of various. There are a variety of stars you can see for Christmas. So I'm gonna be posting a different video of like I made a bunch of stars. So I will be posting a separate video for it. Next is the star. I mean, this is the best out there, I guess. Comment down if you liked it. And also, sorry to interrupt, but I will be saying that comment down which was your favorite craft. This is a snowman that I made from calendar. I just stick a cardstock paper here, and this is how I made it. It was quite easy. I think you don't even need a tutorial for it. You can just see it. I've cut the shape and just stick the parts for it. Next is this. Oh, this is in a bad condition, guys. This was a tree that I made. I think I don't need to show it because it's really bad. Next is what I made is this. a Christmas ring box, guys. Like, I really like this so much. You could keep a ring if you will just cut a puff from it. This was really good. Next is Santa Claus. Santa Claus are also like the same for the stars. I have made a bunch of them, so I will be posting a separate video for it. You can see 2 small Santa Claus. This is a tree that I made from the hot cardstock paper. So it was like bust a balloon. Second is this. I done it. Firstly, I didn't want it to show it, but I wanted to write Merry Christmas here, but it was a card that I made for like Valentine's Day. So you can just customize it and write Merry Christmas and it would really look good. Next is the star. The star was also good, but I didn't have the color, so I just used the leftover color. That's why the shade is different from the other. Next is this paper tree. This is origami. Next, the same. This is a bigger version of what I have made. Then is the star. And this star is really good. It's a 2-color star. Next is these miniature Santa Clauses. I made like many of them. The reindeer that I made. I personally like this brown one more. Next is this, the full body Santa Claus. I am made of different shapes. The biggest, middle one, and the smallest one. It's like a family. Next was this box. And opens like this. It closes. You can keep it any tweed here. This is the Santa Claus. Then I made these 2 boxes. So it's like if you want a budget-friendly Christmas decoration, you can make it from paper, like the gift we used to hang on the tree. You could just take a golden thread to tie. Next is the tree. Oh, the beads cut off. These are the 2 trees. Next is this plain tree that I made. I actually had a star in here, but I don't know where it went. That is this paper envelope. It has like 2 pockets. Next is the Santa Claus. Like these are the faces. 1. Next is this paper envelope. You have to stick it here so that it's good. Next is snowman. See? Next is the socks. Yeah, I was showing you the socks. So this is the previous one and this is the lace one. I have the 3 of them. I had more of them, but I couldn't find it. Then it is a bell that I made. This is a star that I made. This is a tree. This is also the same. This is the 2 stars that I made. And next is this. This is the best craft, I guess. Just see. Next is these 2 puppets. I don't know why I kept it in this box for Christmas, but I think this is a really fun thing to do in Christmas. This is a bow that I made. This is a tree. This is the star. This is a dress that I wanted to show you. The Cinderella, like the colorful dress. This is also the which I made like the 4 of them. Just the 4 of the family, like the father, the mother, the brother, and the sister. This is the whole family. This is the same, I guess. Okay, 3 of them. Next, these are the snowflakes. You can either stick them as a flower to your gift box, or you can just put a lace and hang it like this. This is the card that I made. Really good, guys. Oh, I closed it the wrong way. This is the bookmark that I made. Like this. Oops. I put it in the wrong way though. It was like this. Then are these two. My favorite. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries or anything you wanted to ask, you can just comment down and I will be replying that to you. Bye guys, meet you next time, and once again, happy Christmas to everyone. Merry Christmas, bye.